I sat within the valley green, I sat there with my true love. My poor heart strove to choose between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think on Ireland dearly, while soft the wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. 'Twas hard the woeful words to frame, to break the ties that bind us, but harder still to bear the shame of foreign chains around us. And so I said, the mountain glen I'll seek at morning early, and join the bold united men, while soft winds shake the barley. While sad I kissed away her tears, my fond arms around her flinging, a foeman's shot burst on our ears from out the wildwood ringing. A bullet pierced my true love's side in life's young spring so early, and on my breast in blood she died, while soft winds shook the barley. I bore her to some mountain stream, and many's the summer blossom I placed with branches soft and green about her gore-stained bosom. I wept and kissed her clay-cold corpse, then rushed o'er vale and valley, my vengeance on the foe to wreak, while soft winds shake the barley. But blood for blood without remorse, I've taken at Ullart Hollow, and I've laid my true love's clay-cold corpse where I soon may follow. As round her grave I wander drear, noon, night and morning early, with breaking heart whene'er I hear the wind that shakes the barley.